With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so let's read the question. Which of the following cell organelles are involved in manufacturing of various substances? Okay, so in the question they are asking that which of the following cell organelles are involved in manufacturing process of various substances which are basically needed by the cell for its proper functioning. Okay, so we have to name those organelles. Option A, lysosome, vacuole, and ribosome. Option B, ribosomes, RER and SER. Option C, vacuole, RER and SER. And option D, SER, ribosome, and centriole. Okay, so there are three major organelles which are involved in manufacturing of different substances. The first organelle is basically known as ribosome. Okay, which are basically known as the site of protein synthesis. Okay, so they're associated with the process of protein synthesis, and they're basically associated with the process of translation of mRNA in order to produce proteins. Okay, so these ribosomes, if they are associated with another organelle which is known as endoplasmic reticulum, so these type of organelles, if it is associated with ribosomes, then it basically forms RER, that is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, if it is associated with ribosome. And as it is associated with ribosome, it is majorly involved in the synthesis of proteins. It is associated with the synthesis of enzymes, and it is associated with the synthesis of hormones. Okay, the second organelle is endoplasmic reticulum, that is RER. And the third is also a type of endoplasmic reticulum, but in the absence of ribosome, it is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER, which is majorly associated with the synthesis of fats and lipids. Okay, so these are the three major organelles. All of them are basically also associated with synthesis of different carbohydrate and different compounds. Okay, so we can say that ribosomes, RER and SER are the three major organelles which are associated with the manufacturing of various substances. Okay, when we talk about lysosome is basically a type of secretory vesicles which is formed. It is not associated with any kind of secretion, so this can't be the option. And vacuoles are for storage, so this can't be the correct option. So the only correct option is option B. I hope this answers your question, students. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.